This is the Geely Starray. This is a 4-door, 5-passenger luxury SUV from Geely, a Chinese car manufacturer, and it's mostly sold in China, but we find it in a few other markets around the world as well. If it were sold in the United States, it would sell for about $27,000. And you might be asking yourself, how can a $27,000 car be luxury? But it is. And that's the goal of Geely, is to deliver all the design details and all the features that define a luxury car, but at a very affordable price. How do they do that? Well, they build all these components themselves. Geely, you might know as the parent company of Volvo, Polestar, and Lotus. And for those brands, which are luxury brands, Geely also builds all of the interior features and technology, including the touchscreens. A lot of the tech in those cars is pretty sophisticated, and if you can get your hands on a Geely, you can get all that tech at a much lower price. The Geely Starray is one of the cars that we've been able to drive as a part of the World Car Awards test drives here in Pasadena, California. And it's a real treat to get a close-up look at these Chinese cars that are really changing the automotive world. It's not available for sale in the United States, and it probably won't be due to trade policies. But if it was possible for Geely to sell this car in the United States, they would in a heartbeat. The interior of the Geely Starray is notable for some very modern design details, including this Squircle-style steering wheel. It's flat on the top mostly and flat on the bottom. The idea is to keep your line of vision uncluttered with a large driver display. So the driver display is set low and designed to be helpful, but not in your field of vision. There is a head-up display here. That is a premium feature, and it's surprising to see that in a car at this price. There's ambient lighting that you can change the color. This ambient lighting continues over across the dashboard here and over onto the door panels. The center screen is very similar to the one that we see in Volvo and Polestar. Not quite as large, and it's not the modern one that we see in those cars, but it is large and it is vertical. And then we have a glass-topped gear selector. It's hollow in the middle, and it has this really beautiful, elegant glass top, and you'll even see a little graphic inside there. And then you just pull it back twice for drive, push it forward for reverse, and push that button for park. We took the Geely out for a nice long test drive. Really love the ambient light on the interior. The seats are really comfortable. We've actually gotten used to the Geely technology in the Volvos and Polestar models, so that was really comfortable. It was very easy to get in and figure everything out. Geely's done a beautiful job with this car. At $27,000 US, that is an incredible deal for a car with this many great features and this kind of quality.